you're going to insert straight vertically into the actual locator nylon male and pull vertically. And unfortunately that didn't do it, but here, there we go. And pull straight out vertically. As you see here, the nylon male will be retained inside of the core tool, and then I can just go ahead and take this portion, turn it clockwise, and that male insert will pop right out into my fingers. I can repeat that by doing the same motion, but I'll show you the example that a lot of clinicians sometimes do. So they take the tool and they just start inserting into here, and unfortunately it doesn't work. You have to remember to unscrew the core tool, just like so, and that plunger becomes visible. When the plunger starts going up and down, I can take it, insert it into my locator vertically, and remove straight vertically, and you'll hear a snapping noise as it comes perfectly out. You'll also notice that if I take this over a bench top and twist it down, the locator will pop out. And many times it will go flying. I use that as an example for the video so you can see exactly what happens. The removal tool is the insertion tool. What I can do is just very carefully grab my nylon male, and you'll notice that it doesn't retain the world's best, but it'll hold in there okay. It's meant just to lightly hold on top of the actual tool. And many times I'll carry it just like this to the patient or to the denture so that way it doesn't go flying on the floor. What I can do with this instrument is to take my existing denture cap. I've removed the existing nylon insert vertically until you hear a click noise. And that means the locator nylon male insert has been properly reassembled. The outside part has this triangle. The triangle is the portion that's going to allow you to take your locator and insert it into your patient and their implant, just like so. I'll grab another attachment and just show you briefly how that will snap onto there. And now this I can take directly to the patient and the implant.